Simplify. 2 to the power 5 times 3 cube divide 6 square whole to the power 2. So this one we can write like this. It means 2 to the power 5 times 3 cube divide 2 times 3 square. 6 means 2 times 3 square and whole square. And then here is 2 to the power 5 times 3 cube divide 2 square times 3 square then whole square. So this one we can write 2 to the power 5 minus 2 times 3 cube minus 2 whole square. Look, 2 to the power 5 minus 2 is a 3 and 3 to the power 3 minus 2 is a 1 whole square. Now look, 2 to the power 6 times 3 square. So 2 to the power 6, it means 64 times 9 and our answer is 576. Thank you.